Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of the month of August in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with the index page, you know how I like to dress it up just a little bit. It's a great place to use up freebies like this one. So this is from Ever-Changing Plans, and I just kind of cut it in half and put it over the word August here. I thought that was kind of a cute touch, just something to give it a little color. All right, so let's go ahead and flip right into the highlights page. Okay friends, so for the highlights page, I did kind of a leftovers spread here. I used this leftover washi and these little flags here from Simply Smith. It was a kit that I used for, I believe, my budget planner. And then this little quote circle sticker here, this is from Doodle Planner. And then this is, I just hand drew in just to kind of give it, because I only had the one sticker. And since this was gray, kind of like a greenish gray, I felt like it kind of blended fine or coordinated well. And so these are from the leftovers. Like I said, these scripts are from Nicole Hutch Designs, as well as this icon here and here. And then this is Planner Kate down here. These were all of the things. Only Murders in the Building had a new season out, so I watched that. Uncoupled was a new series that I started watching starring Neil Patrick Harris. I also watched one called Mo. And then Me Time was a new Mark Wahlberg movie, who I love. And then Look Both Ways was also another movie that I watched. Didn't really read much, so I'm still carrying this When Life Gives You Lululemon's book on into like month after month. August was a big month in our family. We dropped Emma off for her first year in college, and Sophie turned 17, so kind of a lot going on. Very emotional, but we survived, and Emma is doing wonderfully at college. She's just having a great time. So flipping to my monthly spread, this sweet little honeycomb kit here, this is called Oh Honey. It's from my friend Saya at Saya Planning. I just think this is adorable. And so because I didn't have the highlights page, I thought that these kind of just, you know, blended, coordinated, that kind of thing. So a lot of these came from the kit. These little stickers here, the little colored in squares, the little flags, all of the boxes here came from the kit. This little sticky note here, this is something new in her shop that she's doing. I loved this, so I put this big box here for Sophie's birthday. These here, this little icon is from Ever-Changing Plans, and then the first day of school and the first semester begins. These are from Orange Umbrella Co. And then this Flea and Tick Meds, this script here is from Fern Creek Stickers. So we had a going away party for my niece Grace. We did a going away party for my daughter Emma, and then we had lots of birthdays. Otis had his monthly vet appointment for his Cytopoint shot. And then I traveled out of town for a conference and then a site visit down in Southern California. So I was pretty busy here in August. And then going into the first week of the month, I love this. So I bought the journaling sheet as well as like all of the other weekly kit items for this kit. And this kit here is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's number 163. It's called Late Summer. I did sort of this tossed background of the full boxes because I was just finding like when I was using them vertically, I wasn't using all my full boxes all the time. And I just kind of wanted to be a little more creative and make more use of my full boxes and do some layering here. I love how this turned out. A lot of this is from the kit, but of course I have lots of my great scripts from my friend Saya at Saya Planning. This little icon is also from Saya. Otis's Meds is a custom from her, and these to-dos are all from her. My time stickers are from either Saya, which is this font here, or my friend from Phoenix Plans. So there's that. And then these are leftover. This was a leftover from Planner Kate, of course, Planner Kate Doodle Girl. This Aaron's is a leftover from an Ever-Changing Plans kit. So I really like how this turned out. I love using these pieces like the torn washi look here from the journaling sheet. So something that you'll see me using more of. This here, this little recycle, of course, is from Big Elephant Plans. And the Payday here, this is a leftover from, I think, an old Planner Kate kit maybe. So yeah, I love how this turned out. We did lots of back to school shopping. We had Sophie's senior parking paint day. So as a fundraiser to the school, you can buy a reserved parking space for your senior, and then they get to customize it by painting it. So we had that for Sophie on that day, which was really, really fun. And then my father-in-law had a birthday. So going into the next week of August, so this was the first week of school for Sophie. This is a planner cake kit. It's kit 340, and of course it's called Back to School. So many of the same things that I always use, friends, like my scripts from Saya. This To Do is actually from Fern Creek Stickers. This commissary is a custom from Phoenix Plans, and of course these are from Saya. This Big Paw is a freebie from Orange Umbrella Co. This Doctor Appointment is a mixed script from Planner Kate, and then these are all from Planner Kate here. These leftover balloons came from an Ever-Changing Plans kit, I believe. So again, we had a party for my niece, we had a party for Emma. This Costco is from Phoenix Plans. This is from Nicole Hutch Designs. Kind of a lot going on at work. We had a golf tournament fundraiser that we did. We do it every August, so that was all day on this Friday here. And then I went to a concert on the Thursday night. Kind of busy this week. So first day of school for Sophie was Wednesday, and it was the first day of her senior year. So she's off to a great start. Okay, and then this week here was Emma's first week, or I should say her drop off at college week. We had her dorm move in. So this kit is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's kit 162, and of course it's called Back to School as well. So again, many of the same scripts that I always use from Saya, the To Do, the Otis Meds. My time stickers, like I said, are either a Phoenix Plans, which is this font here, or Saya, which is this font here. These are all customs from Saya. And then I did that tossed background of all of the full boxes. I really like how this looks. I feel like it fills in the white space, but not so much that it's like totally packed, like you still see some white space. Cute little doodle girl here from Planner Kate, some leftover balloons. I love all of this. I love the icons. They're so cute. And then lots of family time. So we moved Emma in. Her move-in date was Thursday, which was also Sophie's birthday. So poor Sophie felt like her big sister kind of stole her thunder, but she was very good-spirited about it. We had dinner with my younger brother. We had dinner pretty much every night. It was really fun. It was hard, friends, when I left her. So we left on Saturday. So we stayed Thursday night, Friday night, and then we left her on Saturday so that she could do all of the opening weekend stuff on her own, be a big girl. And boy, did I cry. I know I talked about it in the plan with me when I did this week, but I just had heart-wrenching sobs. And then we got in the car, we drove off, and I just cried myself till I passed out, just like a little toddler would. So I had taken the 2 days off there to take care of doing that. So it was good. She's doing so great, though. I'm just so happy for her. Okay, and then moving into this week here, I love this kit. This is beautiful. This is Orange Umbrella Co. again. It's kit 159. It's called Summer Nights. I bought the deco pieces here, so that's what all these little extra pieces here that I just thought were so much fun. This Happy Birthday is a leftover from a Planner Cake kit. Again, my Saya planning scripts that I love. What else do we have here? Times from Saya. And then from Phoenix Plans, I kind of ran out of some, so I had to write them in. But just really, really fun. This is from Simply Smith Stickers. This little quote here, grateful, thankful, blessed, which I do fill every day. Sophie and I took a little walk here together on Sunday. My girl, she's so cute. She's my little buddy. She will walk with me if she's not like having to go to work or do homework and that kind of thing. So this turned out really, really well. I loved this kit. It's so beautiful. Look at all this beautiful patterns here. Okay, so then that is the end of the month. And then this is my Clean Mama page, which I used, again, kit 163, late summer. Used up some of the washi here. My scripts here are from Saya Planning. She has like whole sets that you can buy. I love the cute little washer machine. These are just leftover icons from Orange Umbrella Co. And then just some of the leftover journaling pieces that I put in here. So the monthly focus was closets. I didn't get to everything that I wanted to do just because we were so busy with getting Emma ready to move out that I didn't get a lot done here, but I did get a lot of the rotating tasks. And of course I keep up on my dailies and my weeklies. So that's it for what's in my Plum paper. We can take a look at my social media planner now. Okay, so for social media, I use an Erin Condren monthly. It's worked out beautifully for me. So here's the index page. I don't do anything here. Okay, so looking at the monthly view, this is an Orange Umbrella Co. kit. It's kit 149. It's called Summer Prints. This August here is an Orange Umbrella Co. script, but this one here, social media, is from Saya. All of the boxes come from the kit, and then just kind of, I do the basics. I put down the date dots and then the headers. And then I did not do very much in social media in terms of Instagram. I did get a couple videos up. I had a couple slots where I normally put videos that I did not do because I was just focused on getting Emma off to school here, but then kind of picked back up. I did my first giveaway, which was super fun. I had an extra kit. I bought the Orange Umbrella Co. Fall Y'all kit twice, and so I decided to give one of them away. And planner friend Sarah was the one that won it. So flipping into the next page, this is my checklist. These are from Saya Planning, so just kind of keeping myself on track, making sure I'm getting everything up and loaded. These are also from Saya Planning here, and then I just put a little strip of washi across there. I like it where it just kind of makes it look like a stripe. So here's where I put what the monthly spreads are going to use. So I did Oh Honey for my Plum paper. I did Whimsical Birds for my budget, which is a happy planner, the classic size. And then here's Summer Prints and my EC social media. And then my Clean Mama is washi from Late Summer from Orange Umbrella Co. And then each of my weeklies I put here as well, just kind of a reminder of which kits that I used. And then the rest of this, friends, is just notes, placing orders, things that I'm going to talk about in my plan with me's, that kind of thing. So that's pretty much my social media. So I think that's it, friends. That's just kind of a flip through of August. Alrighty, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.